Alright, today we're going to bring a barn light, and this one has a sensor day to night mode. Alright, it's very simple. Removing the back, you're going to have hot, neutral, and ground, and then the bell goes up. Alright, the bell is a little large and you can see the gold inside. Now it does have a connection up to about 120 volts that you can use. Alright, so we're going to set it up. It's very simple. You're going to have to unscrew these here. If you can see it, unscrew them, and then you remove the actual connection. So we're going to go ahead and connect it, and they also give you a couple attachments and screws. All right, so let's go ahead and set it up. It's perfect right here. It's one. So this is very simple. You pass the cables on the other side. All right, there's a little scope here, a little piece that you have to remove. We set up the belt, screw it in. We get our light bulb. Alright, so we set up the light, and I'm gonna cover the sensor so you guys can see the light, how it turns on. Alright, so I'm gonna cover the sensor again, covering the sensor, let it go, cover the sensor, so you can see that the night to day mode works. Alright, now we're gonna set it up where you can see lighting up this entire area. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's take a look at how beautiful the light looks at night. All right, very bright. You can see the bottom. It lights up this entire area here, depending on the light bulb that you want installed. All right, we're gonna demo this to see how bright it is. I do have a flashlight, if you guys can see that. Put the light over the sensor. It's simulating like it's the daylight. All right, so if I remove it, look how dark it got in here. See that? The sensor is very sensitive, so you got to remove it. Beautiful.